Now we have lesson number 9. First, in lesson number 9, we have another word ending, which is shone. Okay, yung mga words natin na action, occasion, election, position, operation, position, passion, nations, national, nationally, caution, inflation. Okay, sometimes pwede rin po siyang shone. Yan yung mga same niya lang naman kasi ng pronunciation, no? Almost the same lang. And then si shone. Okay, so ang ginagamit lang natin dyan ay si ish. Yung ish natin, yung downstroke natin. I mean, yung downward stroke natin na maliit. Okay? That is shone. Okay? So, this is shone. Okay? So, sample tayo. We have action. We have acation. Okay? Acation. Ito si A. Ayan, si A. Ito si K. And then, ito si Sean. Okay, Sean. Yan, acation. Okay? So, maliit lang siya kasi ish yung ginagamit natin. Okay? Maliit yung ish natin. Yung size niyan, parang yung size lang din ng letter S. Okay? Okay? So, that is Sean. Another example. We have election. Okay? E-L-E-cation. Okay. Again. Okay. Another, we have operation. Operation. So, we have O-P-R-ation. Palaki. Yep. O-P-R-ation. Okay. Again. We have O-P-R-ation. Okay, that is operation. Another, we have national. Nasa gitna naman siya. So, we have N-ation, then L. Okay, again, N-ation, then L. So, nasa gitna si Sean natin. Okay, and then yung sa di ba, national, we have AL pa. Kasi si A, silent po siya. I mean, na-o-omit siya kapag pinopronounce natin. So, L na lang yung dinadagdag natin. Okay, so that is Sean. So, we have another. Okay, another word ending. Ito naman, si Shent. Okay. Shent, or pwede rin siyang si letter T. Okay. And then, we also have Shensi. Dito muna tayo kay Shent. Okay? So, dyan muna tayo kay Shent. Later na natin to si Shensi. Kay Shent, we have ish, and then letter T. Okay? Pagsasamahin natin sila. Si ish, and then letter T. Okay? So, word ending natin na Shent, we have ish, and then letter T. Okay? So, example. Patient. We have P-A-ish, and then T. P-A-ish, then T. Okay, again, P-A-ish, then T. Okay, patient. Ito si ish, which is yung Shent natin, no? Tapos ito rin si T. That is Shent, and then Shent. Okay, example pa, yung kay ano naman, yung letter C natin, si ancient. We have A-N-ish-T. A-N-ish-T. Okay, so, ish at T para kay Shent. So, yung kanina natin naman, si Shensi. Okay, si Shensi. Ang gagawin naman natin dito is ish. Okay, ish. And then we have S. And then we have E. Okay, so ganito siya. Ish, S, E. Ish, S, E. So, sample natin na word. We have efficiency. Efficiency, we have E-F-E, ish, then S-E. E-F-E, ish, S-E. Okay, again, we have E-F-E-ish-S-E. Okay, E-F-E-ish-S-E. Efficiency. Okay, so again, E-F-E-ish-S-E. E-F-E-ish-S-E. That's efficiency. So next we have proficiency. So P-R-O-F-E-ish-S-E. Proficiency. P-R-O-F-E-ish-S-E. Proficiency. Okay. So now we have number 3. It says T for to in praises. Okay. So in praises, yung to natin, ganito, yung to, okay, is represented by letter T. Okay, like yung to have, to be, to say, to see, to check, to buy, to plan, to place, to sell, to serve, to charge, or to change. Basta yung word natin na to. Okay, yung to. So, ganito siya. Let's say to have. Sa phrases po natin to, ha? Okay, so we have T. Yan na yung to. And then yung have. Okay? Yan na po yung brief form to, diba? Brief form natin to. Okay, so ayan po siya. So, diba yung T natin, may brief form din po tayo doon na eat and then at. So, ngayon, yung to, pwede rin po na siyang gamiting letter T kapag sa phrases natin. So, another, we have, sabi nga dito, gagamitin nyo si to kapag kasunod siya ng downward strokes natin. No? Yan, si to have. Yan, meron tayo to be. To be. Okay. Then, to say. To say. Basta kapag downward yung stroke na susunod sa kanya, kay word na to, gagamitin natin si letter T. Pero kapag hindi naman po siya downward stroke, i-spell out po natin siya na T and then O. Okay? Yan kapag yung mga forward na yung kasunod niya. Okay? Pero hindi na siya usually pinagdidikit pa. Hindi na siya kasama or hindi na siya isahang stroke lang natin. Okay? So, yun po. Yung to natin na ganyan ginagamit again kapag downward stroke yung kasunod niya na word. Okay?